And one Florida couple found a small piece of good news after the hurricane. When they returned home to survey their damage, they recovered something that had been missing for years. In their backyard, they found the husband's wedding ring that was lost nearly a decade ago.
We had a construction project about 9 years ago, and it just disappeared.
We've been here 1,000 times over the last 9 years. I have a landscaper who comes once a week, every week for 9 years. Nothing.
That is amazing. The couple says that they've searched the yard several times and mowed over it throughout the years. They believe the hurricane's rains unearthed the ring. So a great ending there.